new 2025 Honda Odyssey is a popular minivan known for its comfort, family-friendly features, and reliability. The exterior and interior design would have been refreshed to keep up with current design trends. This could include changes to the front grille, headlights, taillights, and other aesthetic elements, along with improvements in terms of the infotainment system, connectivity options, and driver assistance features. The minivan is finally being redesigned. The all-new 2025 Honda Odyssey will enter the 6th generation. That means a lot of changes outside and inside. A 3.5-liter V6 remains the main source of power for the 2025 Honda Odyssey. It is also more affordable than the upcoming hybrid. Nevertheless, the battery-enhanced setup will return investment with every mile you cover and take advantage of a better fuel economy. The minivan is on the streets, which means the development is in the final stages. Heavy camo is hiding details which are new. Honda doesn't want to unveil too much before the premiere. So, we can expect the debut of the 2025 Honda Odyssey as soon as we enter 2024. The sales will start by mid-2024 with updated pricing.